August 17, 1999. The silence of the night was shattered by a tremor from the depths. A tremor that lasted only 45 seconds. Yet, it took away more than a lifetime could ever hold. It erased a city, dreams, and lives forever, never to return. Today, I search for traces of that moment beneath the waters. Here, in these depths, time seems to have stopped. Collapsed buildings swallowed by the sea, walls reduced to rubble. Streets that once echoed with life are now wheeled by the heavy silence of the sea floor. With every step, I encounter shadows of lost lives. This place, once vibrant with life, now bears the weight of an unspeakable tragedy. The silence of the water is so profound, it pulls you inward. Here, every algae, every coral feels like witness of that fateful night. That night, not just people but the soul of a city was engulfed in the darkness. And now, the echoes of that soul linger in these depths. The city lost beneath the water has become a silent elegy. Each stone, each fragment of debris, a mute cry of the sorrow that unfolded here. Broken windows, rooms filled with water. A table still stands next to a chair. Who knows what conversations once took place at that table? Now, only fish swim quietly around it. This dive is not a search, it's a remembrance. With every breath, I relive the story of that devastating night. Perhaps this dive is not into the depths of the sea, but into the memory of humanity itself. To never forget, to remember, and to learn. The memory of those who lived through that night is a responsibility we must carry. Because what was lost beneath the waves was not just a city but also hope, dreams, and lives. And these losses can only gift us for a future if we choose to remember them. Perhaps the greatest lesson we can take from this how precious and fragile life truly is. Remember the sound of the tremor, the weight of the silence, but above all, remember the strength of solidarity and power of the rise again. Now, the silence rising from these depths is not just an elegy but also a call, remember and act.